Okay, so we woke up this morning. We have this surprise snowstorm. Yesterday was 50, and there was very little news coverage that there was going to be. Now, 6 inches. It's February. I'm like so tired of this already. And it's only the second snowstorm. So out we go. Here we are. It's still snowing pretty hard. And I don't know if you can see, it's almost 30 degrees, so I am not wearing a heavy Carhartt jacket because I have a lot of work to do. So I have to go out to the chicken area. The snow, unlike the last one, is very wet, and it's causing quite a bit of problem with the netting, and I'll show you why in a second. As you can see, it's a little too heavy. I'm not so much worried about this one, I'm worried about the big area, which is almost collapsed. Oops. That one. We've got to get up. In fact, we just lost one of the poles, which is not good at all, because I got to get in there. This is very bad. Yeah, this snow is a lot heavier. I'm gonna have to put the phone away. Okay, so I got the snow off the net, which is now on the ground, and I've got to try and fix all of this and make some repairs even before I can let the chickens out. And before I can let the chickens out, I have to clear areas for them to come out. So I have a little bit of work. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but I got the fence netting back up. Hopefully it's gonna stop snowing pretty soon. It pulled the entire thing down. We've had really light snow, the couple snowstorms that we've had, so this was a first, and it actually bent the rods, the metal rod. It pulled it right over that I have the beam supported on. So, and as you can see, the rooster went back in the coop. They hate snow. Come on, girls. Come on out. She's like, no way. Come on. All right, it's an hour later, and I don't know where the state plows are, but they're not plowing. Last time, every time they don't plow, I have people hit my fence. So I'm just waiting. I have to go back out to the chicken area with the netting because the snow is getting deep and it will pull the fencing, the netting down again. As you can see, it's a very heavy snow, and I shoveled earlier, but we've gotten a couple inches already, and the chickens refuse to come out. Are you gonna come out? Huh? No. They don't like snow. So you can see the netting that I put back up, and it's coming down again because the snow is so heavy. And I have to shake this off so it doesn't pull it down. So unfortunately I have to put the phone down, I think. Let's see what we can do here. Yeah, it's already ripping up at the top. Light snow is not a problem. Heavy snow is a problem. I have temporary fencing up. Now these chickens I threw out of the coop so I could put fresh hay in. And I have a flowing stream on my property. And the water is actually warmer than the surrounding snow and air, so they like to stand in it. When it's 30 out, like it is today, that's not that bad, but when it's sub-zero temperatures, frostbite is a problem. So today is not a problem, though. Oh man, I can't believe. Yeah. And we want to move to a warmer climate. This is for all my friends in Florida and South Carolina. I'm trying to think of Arizona. All those nice warm weather locations. See what you're missing? So I was out here earlier and shoveled, and we have a couple inches. Let's see if I can reverse the phone somewhere here. So as you can see, I am covered just from shaking off the netting. But it's warm out and spring is coming. Aren't we so happy?